So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install CMake in your Windows 11 PC. So firstly let's move in our browser and search for cmake.org. Then under this you can just actually go in the downloads page directly. Download. Now under binary distributions you have to go in Windows x64 installer. So yeah, our installer is downloaded. Just click on it and click on next, and then I accept the license agreement, then next again, and you have to make sure that this is added to path. Next again, and then install. You need to make sure that you check this button and click on yes. This will be installed in a couple of seconds. So yeah, you can see that this is installed now. Just click on finish and then go in your command prompt. You just have to type this particular command, that is CMake space hyphen hyphen version, to make sure that it is correctly installed in your computer. Since you can see the version, that means you have successfully installed your CMake in your Windows 11 PC. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.